Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to change search engine in Chrome browser. So let's see. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is simply click on these three dots, and then it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, and then make sure you look for settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to privacy and security. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to search engine. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on change, and this is going to pump up. From here, you can switch from Google Chrome to Bing or Yahoo or DuckDuck or Yandex. Once you switch them, simply click on set as default. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your search engine in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.